community. Over the Easter break we had a few jobs to do. A week before I received a call from an old client who we had done business with, and he remembered that I did a little bit of wood turning, and it didn't take long for me to accept his invitation to look over a fallen tree he had on his property. So on Good Friday I travelled 30 minutes and found a large eucalyptus tree with a massive burl at the base of it. It would have weighed just under a ton. To get it into the trailer, I cut it into smaller pieces and carted it home. Then on Saturday I picked up the boom lift from work and pruned a tree that the cook wanted trimmed. I did get a little carried away and was nearly finished cleaning up when the cook come home and said that I'd cut the wrong tree. I was meant to trim the wattle beside it. Anyway, the tree will survive and it'll bush up better than before, so next time I'll need to take more notice when the cook gives me an order. Then on Monday, my mother, William and his friend went to the football at the MCG with just under 90,000 other supporters, and we watched my beloved Geelong Cats against Hawthorn. The Cats won a great game by 7 points, which helped make it a great day. So over the weekend I thought I'd turn some of the burl that I picked up on Friday. It was extremely green and wet, but it turned very well. I decided to make a bowl. I tried to make the sides of the bowl thin, just to keep it from cracking. And the main tool I used was the 1/2-inch spindle gouge, and because the wood was still green and wet, the dust and the wood chips stuck to the gouge, and it also started to stain the lathe bed. When I'd finished turning the bowl, I cleaned all the steel surfaces with WD-40. It was good to turn some of the burl because I found that the wood was a fairly light colour and I loved the grain of it as well. The rest of the burl is in storage until it dries out. Then I'll have plenty of bowls and boxes and all sorts of things that I can make out of it. It's a beautiful wood, it's a light colour and it's got a fantastic grain to it. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.